friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful living room wall decor ideas. When it comes to decorating your living room walls, there are countless design ideas to choose from that can transform your space into a cozy and inviting heaven. One popular option is to create a gallery wall. This involves arranging a collection of framed photos, artwork, or even mirrors in an organized manner. Gallery walls allow you to showcase your personal style and memories, making your living room uniquely yours. If you prefer a more minimalistic look, consider using large scale artwork or a single statement piece as a focal point of your wall decor. A large eye catching painting or a striking wall sculpture can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living room. This approach can also make the room feel more open and spacious. For a touch of nature and freshness, incorporating indoor plants into your wall decor can be a great idea. Hanging planters, vertical gardens, or wall mounted shelves filled with greenery can breathe life into your living room. Not only do plants purify the air, but they also add a natural and calming element into the space. And if you are a fan of texture and dimension, consider using textured wall panels or decorating wall tiles. These can add a depth into a visual interest into your living room walls, making them a unique focal point, whether you opt for a rustic wooden panels or modern 3D tiles. I hope you like these ideas. Thank you for watching.